Paul Tapier for Auto Parts Warehouse here at SEMA 2017 with EGR Products and Robert, who's going to tell us more about the different fender flares that EGR offers at Auto Parts Warehouse.
So right here we've got our OEM style fender flare. It's going to give you between a 3 and 4 inch height and about an inch or 3/4 of an inch to an inch of coverage, of tire coverage. It's going to be perfect for adding some style to the fender, maybe hiding a little rust, that kind of stuff. The other flare that we have here is our rugged style flare. So it's very similar in coverage to our bolt-on style flare, which more or less is going to give you between a 5 to 6 inch height and about a 1.5 to a 2 inch in tire coverage.
All right, now get ready for this because I asked this of everybody. How many applications? Like what kind of vehicles, brands can this go on? Models, makes and manufacturers?
So we offer fender flares for all major trucks. We go back on like some of the Chevys from '88 up. So
really?
Yeah, so we go back really far. We do hit a lot of applications that most other manufacturers don't hit. For example, the Colorado, the Canyon. We've got Titan XD, the Titan, the new Titan 17 V8. So we try and stay,
See, this is why I ask. This is why I ask how many applications, and because you threw some in there that they probably wouldn't have known. Okay, so when you go to Auto Parts Warehouse and you put in your vehicle, okay, that gives you the option of knowing that, hey, Robert's got you covered here. They've got so many different models that they make these fender flares for. So, and we've got so much more to look at from EGR and so many different products, including coming up some window visors, acrylic things, and that's coming up right here on Auto Parts Warehouse.